Welcome to Tech Quickie episode 1. This is a new series where I show you guys products that are more, I guess, add-ons to what you might already have and give you a quick and basic introductory on what the product has to offer. For the most part, the products will be on the cheaper side of things, probably under $20 most of the time. So for the first episode, I have a 5-port USB desktop hub that supports Quick Charge 3.0, looks pretty stylish, and fellas, it has a hole. What's good, people? I'm YetiMachete. Teching ain't easy. I'm here to help you out. So this is the Jellycomb 5-port USB hub. I got mine in white, but you can pick it up in black as well. The Amazon reviews were mostly positive, so no big issues there. What I really love about this is you're getting 5 USB ports, one being a quick charge port, which I use for my phone all the time. If you don't know about quick charge technology, it charges supported phones up to 3 times quicker than the standard USB port. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that it isn't like your traditional USB hub that connects to your PC and gives you extra USB ports, but instead plugs into an AC outlet, allowing you to use this at your bedside, in your kitchen, wherever you have your array of devices that you would like to keep charged. One of the reasons I chose this USB hub over the tons of other choices is the cool design. It has a futuristic look to it. It's not squared off like most of the other ones, but instead it has this oval rounded shape to it, which I really dig, man. Another thing I really like here about the design is the attention to detail. They added in this really dope looking blue LED cutout on the back of the device. The LED is not distracting at night, it's very subtle, but it adds a bit of flair and aids in that futuristic look. I have the USB hub set up at my desk in my office, but there are tons of other places to put this. I actually plan on getting a second one to have at my nightstand because I just have way too many devices there. My Switch, Chromebook, smartwatch, and my phone. And with all the long cables and power bricks, it can get a bit messy. Adding this in will help me declutter a bit. I also plan on picking up some shorter cables for all my devices. Overall, I really don't have any complaints here, and I really just love having extra USB ports for all my devices. As usual, I have links in the description down below if you want to pick this up. But that's going to wrap up the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out my other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. Anyways, I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.